Okay, this is living right here. We have an off day. Today is no riding. Well, you can ride as much as you want, but it's going to be 120 some degrees here in Vegas. But this little guy right here, look how clean. It just, the little Indian gremlins came in and cleaned it last night. It's ready to go. This gorgeous Harley, she is doing great. Yeah, knock on wood. The Valkyrie's purring like a kitten. The mighty Yamaha. This is what year? 2005. 2005, and it is doing awesome too. And he did zero prep work. Literally got on the bike and left. Didn't even know if there was oil. We checked oil on day what? 2 or 3 or some damn thing.
What are we now? Day what?
8, 9?
9, he's checking oil.
Yeah.
We're checking oil today.
Checking air pressures.
I did check air pressures.
And we got this gorgeous thing right here. Rod's getting a nice wash in. The Indians don't get very dirty. Bugs don't really hit them. They're kind of afraid.
They look, yeah, for the other bikes.
But they don't hold up very well against rain gear.
Yeah.
But it's all of them.
Yeah.
No matter what it is.
That's true. You know, look, right here. This fucker gets so hot that no matter what you do, it's just, it likes to chew on rain gear. And mine, too. Oh, my God. I had a nice pair of rain gear. Now, I got it rain gear here on the exhaust. Burned right through instantly. So that's a weakness of these beasts. But Ron, it's looking clean, man.
Yep, I think I got it.
It's so hot in Vegas. Look at, he just washed the bike and there's no water. The water evaporates in 1/10 of a second. Milliseconds. You gonna hit it with any bug slide it? Yeah.
7?
Okay.
It's all this dirt and dust on it.
As we were just saying, this bike had no prep work whatsoever. For his suspension in the rear, the air pressure is supposed to be at like 45 or 50 or something, and it was at 4. He was wondering why was it diving, collapsing the suspension in the corners, because you just need a little more air pressure. But these bikes are one of those bulletproof bikes, shaft drive, workhorse engines. It was our battery plant for a day or two. But this battery is going to charge right next to the starter fluid that's very flammable.
Accelerant.
Yeah, that's the accelerant. And we got everything taped in here, and we're going to charge this one, and then that battery is going to die, but then this one will be ready, and then we'll swap. Yeah, liquid cooled. It's the handling. You know, you probably wouldn't rate it the highest.
But
Especially in
for
corners.
a $4,000 or $5,000 bike, you're not going to find anything better.
That's true. And the cruise control, it works,
Okay.
but it kind of does a lag, and then it's, you know. Okay, this is the only drawback of the mighty Yamaha. You need 2 people to check your oil. So you got to hold the bike up, and then there's a sight glass.
Down underneath there, just above the exhaust.
Yeah. Then you got to look to see the oil level in there.
Oh,
No.
Come on.
All right.
It does need. It's burning through some oil. Well, it's not really burning through, but there's the sight glass way down there. We might want to pick up another thing, brother, because it's going to be running hot tomorrow.
have it with us.
Yeah.
Is it in the middle now?
It's actually a hair above.
Oh, you're good. Okay, it was so hot. Ron sprayed some of the bug slide on there, and it helps get rid of all the water spots, and it makes it shine, puts that little micro
Did he wash his
layer.
bike?
Yeah. No, he did. And then he sprayed it on, and
Darrin.
it's so damn hot it evaporated before you could wipe it off.
Huh?
I think it's so hot that your
Yeah.
spit would dry before it hit the ground. Is it?
Okay, guys, if you want to check your air suspension on your Indian, what do you call it? Roadmaster. It's a 2019. You pop this panel off, and then you look on the back side of it, and you say, okay, whatever your weight is plus your cargo. So say I'm right around, I'll say 325 with everything, because I'm carrying gold right now. I'm really not that heavy. And then you say, okay, the painted trunk, which is what this is, the painted trunk, you should have 71 psi. So you go by what kind of trunk. If you have no trunk, leather trunk, painted trunk, and then all of your total cargo, including the rider. So we'll put that around 325. You come across 71, and then there's a.
You want to use that blow-up thing for it, brother?
Maybe it might be okay. And then right here is where you hook up your air. Yeah, I'll try it out, brother.
I don't know where the fuck it's at. It's the only problem right now.
You take this off, and then you just pump it up to 71. And if you had 2 riders, you know, you want to make sure that you include the weight for 2 riders plus your cargo. And then, but depending on what trunk.
Or if you're one big guy, it's like 2 riders. That's how I do mine.
Big as 2 riders.
Yeah.
So for me, I'm shooting for 71 psi.
So just program it in, hook it on. It's going to show you what your pressure is.
Have you checked it yet?
No, it'll tell you the
Where
second
you're
you
at?
hook up.
Oh,
Well, I'm just curious.
Oh.
Where's that?
see if I can do it one hand. Okay, Ron's gonna be. So you just take this guy, you pop it on like that.
Just turn the power on, 3rd button over.
It's this one. Yep.
I guess. You're at 0.
Can that be right?
Set the pressure at 5. Go press set.
Right here.
Yep. The second one over. There you go. Now take it and go to 40. Yeah, you're at 0.
Wow. See, that's what I.
You have 0.
You take
Put
that.
that on. Well, when this comes off, set it at 72.
Do you push
Just-
this?
You just go set,
Set.
and now push the plus and hold it down all the way up to 72. Okay, and then hit power on,
Is that this one?
the 3rd one over, and
Do you have
hold
to
it down.
hold it?
Yep, until it starts. Yeah, you're at 0 right now until
Wow.
it starts.
Oh, until
But,
hold.
yeah, listen to all the instructions, Paul.
Oh, look
Hey,
how,
don't,
see, look
don't
how
be
fast.
fucking calling me, Paul.
You see how fast that went up?
Yep.
That's what I mean. You take that.
Now, when you take
off.
it, just flip the thing up and it'll blow it right off of there. It takes just a
Here,
second.
get that, get-
Just flip the thing.
Okay, we gotta pull this off. Like,
There you go. So you might have lost a pound. That's why I went to 70.
all right,
But
that
look
works
how
good.
fast that went up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So there's
what-
not. That tells you there's not much reservoir in this.
No, you don't want to do it with like on a home compressor. Something like this is fine.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because this isn't putting out
Hey.
massive pressure.
Show,
You want to do
did you-
yours?
What's the brand name, brother? Of that?
This is
Get that, Ron.
Ching chong.
never go
the screen.
flat.
Does the mother?
And it works real good. No, we don't buy any shit from Amazon.
Oh,
Amazon is the enemy.
Okay, Ron just checked his. What was yours at, Ron?
6.
His was at 6. And then there. You do the same thing on the Chieftain, and then you pop
Yeah,
the.
second one. Like that smaller one.
You got to get the tassels back in
I
place.
like this one. This one
The
fits
fringe.
really good.
Yeah. With simple green, does it help clean up the chrome? Is that what you mainly use it for?
Yeah, just grime.
Get the grime and shit
Yeah.
off.
I use it on my dirt bikes all the time. It works
Look at
really
that. Live to ride. That's nice. This beast is doing good. We're riding in some hellacious weather. We've had every bit of nasty weather you could ever imagine.
Yeah, we have. One extreme to the next.
Did you think it'd be like this where it'd be so much fucking crazy?
Not really, not being kind of naive. I figured we'd have this or that, but yeah, we've got a lot of that.
Oh my god.
No
And how's
weekend.
the seat? Is that a comfy seat?
Yeah, actually, it's proven itself now.
Right on. Is that the stock seat?
No, that it's off an 09. A friend of mine's 09.
But
That
it's
I got from him.
it's an 09 off a Harley?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he didn't like it because it was too wide.
Well, no, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, damn, it is soft. And you got a
The
backrest.
It does really well.
And he's got the handlebars raised up. Okay, we're going healthy here. We got sausage and onions. We got our veggies steaming right there. Well, broccoli, carrots. That's looking good. We're gonna throw in that, get our carbs, make sure and then we got bacon. And of course, the bananas. All right, we're gonna get some mushrooms in there. Whoops. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Ha. Oh, that's gonna be good.
Shit, I didn't even know I was so heat fucked up, not even thinking straight. We're on the road. Darrin goes, "There's a Raiders stadium." I'm like, "What?" He's like, "Right there." And I'm like, "Oh fuck! I feel like an idiot now." That's my favorite team.
Look at that. We got broccoli. We got all our veggies. We got our French fries. We got mushrooms. We got onions. We got sausage. We got eggs and bacon and blueberries for the healthy people. Oh, and pickles.
I
Yeah.
went back to sleep.
Ooh, look at that.
That looks good.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, it does.
Oh. We're gonna have to eat this twice. That's
You made French fries too?
Breakfast and lunch.
I
yeah.
gotta take a picture of this shit. That's award winning.